Hello, welcome viewers. This is Hussein Academia. This is where we unravel the secret behind mathematics and how to solve problems relating to mathematics, how to make it more easier, how to make complex mathematics issues becomes more easier for our learners. Okay, we have a question before us. We have 2 2x raised to power 2 raised to power x plus 2 minus 2x equals to what? 24. Now I've been using a particular method to solve that, so we can equally learn a different way to solve this. So in doing this, what we're going to do, we're going to apply the law of indices in solving this. And when you're dealing with exponential equation, it's more advisable that you should be familiar with the laws and canons of what indices. Okay, let's solve this before us. Now we have 2 raised to power x. Now we can split this. Note that when you have a raised to power what x plus what y, it's same thing as saying what a x a what y, as far as the bases are what equal. So you can add it. That is one of the law of indices, that when the bases are what equal, you can add the power. So now for we to do this, we are going to split this in this form. So what we do, we say x 2 raised to power x 2 what 2 raised to power 2. So this is same thing with this, minus what 2x equals to what 24. Now what we are going to do now, we are going to, since at the right hand side, this power, we are going to do what we call a substitution word in fact. So we are going to substitute this either to any variable of our choice. So for instance, let's use m. 2 what 2x, let 2x equals to what m. So anywhere we see m, we're going to substitute into this. So we're having m, this is something as 2 raised to power 2 minus m equals to what 24. So this time this will give us what? So this is m, this is 4 minus m equals to what 24. So this times this give us what 4m minus m equals what 24. So this will give us 3m equals to 24. So now we can divide both sides by the coefficient of what? The coefficient of m. What is the coefficient of m? The coefficient of m there is 3. So we divide both sides by the coefficients. So 3 here, this will give us m equals to, every time we 3 going to this, which is 8. But note, recall that what? That m equals to what? 2x equals to what? 8. So we are having this are the same thing. So we are having 2x equals to what? 8. So we are going to raise it to the same word, to the same base. So 2x equals to what? 2 raised to power what? 3. So this will cancel this. So we are left with x equals to what? 3. This is our final words answer. Now there are different ways of doing this, but let's check if what we did is correct. And I've told us before now that when you're solving an exponential equation, it only has what? One unknown. One unknown, it cannot be what? Xy. It can be x1 or x2, but it shouldn't be what? More than two, or more than one variable. That is what exponential for you. So now let's continue where we are doing. Let's check if the right hand side corresponds with the what? Left hand side. And once we do that, it simply means that the equation is what is correct. So let's checking. Now we have 2 raised to power 3 plus what? Plus 2 minus 2x 2 raised to power 3, is it equals to 24. So 2 raised to power 5 minus what? 2 raised to power, this is what? 2 raised to power 3, is it equals to 24. So if you raise this will give us 32 minus 8, is it equals to 24. So when you minus this is what? This is 24 equals to what? 24. So the left hand side is equals to what? The right hand side. This simply means that the equation is what? Is balanced and is correct. I want to say thank you. Please subscribe to our State Academia, share and comment and watch more of our videos. Thank you.